This is a low-context introduction to blocks and regions. We briefly discussed blocks in the menu video. In this one, we'll see how blocks make up everything we see on the site and add a new block. In a Drupal site, anything you see, from the branding header to the content to the footer, are all placed in their locations using blocks. Blocks are managed at Manage Structure Block Layout. Here we can see all the blocks in our site and where they are placed. For example, the main navigation menu block is placed under the primary menu region. To see how all the regions work together, we can click on Demonstrate Block Regions. Each theme divides the screen into areas called regions, such as a header bar, dedicated menu areas, a content region, and a couple of regions that make up the footer. But what regions are available depends on your theme. This is why, if I change themes, I'll need to recreate all of my block placements. Let's say we want to place a link to Islandora's Twitter in the footer. I'll first scroll down to the footer section, choose Footer Top, and click Place Block. Here I can make a new or choose an existing block. If I scroll down, I see a list of all the blocks that Drupal knows about. Blocks come from different sources. They can be core blocks provided by Drupal, or the facet blocks, which are provided by the Solar API module. Blocks can also come from views, which is a very powerful source of block content. There's also a block for every menu. And blocks can also be custom, like the one we're about to create. When we create a block, we have to give it a description. This is how it appears in the administrative list of blocks. Then we can add text to the body. The editor here lets me add links, so I'll link to our Twitter and click Save. Now I've created a block, but I'm still in the process of placing it. I'm offered a chance to change the title of the block as it displays to the public, or to not display the title at all. Under Visibility, we have the ability to customize where and when this block displays, using a number of powerful conditions. Many of these conditions near the top are provided by Islandora, but some core Drupal conditions are pages, so that it can show on specific paths or pages, roles, so that you can specify which users should see this block, and content type, which shows this block on only some content types. Once I'm happy with the visibility settings, I can choose a region to display it in. It looks like it forgot that we clicked Footer Top, and save the block. Now not only do I see it in my Footer Top region, if I scroll up to the top and switch to the Custom Block library, it's listed there, where I can edit it if I need to. But now that my custom block exists and is placed, we should see it on our front-end site in the footer. And sure enough, there it is. To recap, blocks are reusable chunks of content that can be placed in the regions of your site. Views, menus, and custom blocks are some of the blocks we'll be working with. For more on blocks, see Placing Menu Blocks.